constable who was seen dancing to the tunes of Tej Pratap at Holy Milan. He has in fact been taken off the Yadav Science security duty and has been put on line duty. Another bodyguard has now replaced the policeman in Tej Pratap's security detail. There's no remorse from Tej Pratap himself, and yet action has been initiated against the policeman. My colleague Saket is also joining us on the broadcast with the details. Saket, what kind of justice is this at the time? And there is a lot of outrage over what Tej Pratap said, saying he should apologize. There is no apology whatsoever from him. In fact, he has brazened it out. But on the other hand, you have action that has been taken against the policeman. What are the details and why has he been removed from duty?
देखिए दो एक्शन हुआ है इस पूरे मामले पर। एक तो जो जिस पुलिसकर्मी को डांस करवाया था तेज प्रताप यादव ने, उसको लाइन हाजिर किया गया है, और दूसरा पुलिसकर्मी अब तेज प्रताप यादव की सुरक्षा में रहेगा। इसकी जानकारी खुद पटना के एसएसपी ने दी है। लेकिन सवाल उठता है कि आखिर तेज प्रताप यादव ने जब ये उस पुलिसकर्मी को बोला कि तुम सस्पेंड कर दिए जाओगे अगर डांस नहीं करोगे, और बाद में उसी पुलिसकर्मी पर अगर कार्रवाई हो जाती है, लाइन हाजिर कर दिया जाता है, तो ये सवाल उठता है क्योंकि उस पर दबाव बनाया गया था तेज प्रताप यादव की तरफ से। और दूसरा जो एक्शन हुआ है वो जो विदाउट हेलमेट तेज प्रताप यादव सड़कों पर बाइक चला रहे थे, उसको लेकर एक्शन हुआ है। तेज प्रताप यादव पर 3,000 का जुर्माना ट्रैफिक विभाग की तरफ से किया गया है, क्योंकि जिस स्कूटी को वो चला रहे थे उस स्कूटी का पॉल्यूशन फेल था, इंश्योरेंस फेल था, और उसके बाद विदाउट हेलमेट तेज प्रताप यादव चला रहे थे गाड़ी। तो 3 मामलों में उन पर कार्रवाई हुई है ट्रैफिक डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से, और 3,000 का जुर्माना तेज प्रताप पर लगा है। लेकिन सवाल ये उठता है कि इस तरह की स्थिति जब पैदा होती है, खास करके चुनावी साल बिहार में है ये, और ऐसे में जिस तरह से तेज प्रताप यादव ने कल होली के मौके पर इस तरह से किया है, उसके बाद सियासत भी गर्म है। आरोप प्रत्यारोप का दौर यहाँ पर चल रहा है कि फिर से एक बार बिहार को 2005 से पहले का जो बिहार था उसमें ले जाने की कोशिश इन लोगों की तरफ से हो रही है। ये बीजेपी और जेडीयू का आरोप है।
Okay, in fact, no festival can be an excuse for brash behavior or breaking the law. Now, action being taken against the policeman. While Tej Pratap says it was done in jest, he says, Bura na mano holi hai. That's a mindset that he continues to display. In fact, the details that are coming in say that the action has been initiated against the policeman. Pragya is also on the broadcast with us. Pragya, action being taken against the policeman. In fact, he has been removed from Tej Pratap's security detail. But the bigger question is, what is the action that will be taken against Tej Pratap? Will there be any remorse from him, any apology coming in? But clearly, that does not seem to be happening.
Exactly, and that is the question that everyone is asking even in Bihar. But we are given to understand that a few in the BJP are saying that action will be taken, and there is a cognizance that has been taken, because he also took a scooty out and he was not wearing a helmet, so penalty will also be imposed. But his instructions to the constable was also against the law, and this is exactly the reason why the constable has been removed from the security of Tej Pratap Yadav. But everyone is asking, when will they see action against Tej Pratap Yadav? While there are deliberations going on what action can be taken against him, there is no FIR that has been launched till now in Bihar against Tej Pratap Yadav. But obviously the questions are being raised on the Bihar government, and in fact questions are being raised on the Nitish Kumar BJP government in Bihar as to why no action has been taken against them. But we spoke to a few BJP leaders in the morning. They said action will be taken against Mr. Yadav, that is for sure, but they are also not committing for the time. But this is, this also has given an issue to the BJP on the platter, and that is probably they are going slow on it, because BJP want people to know, people of Bihar to actually know what Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav's and RJD's reign was like. This is the reign, this is the kind of governance they give, where they give orders to the policemen who are supposed to serve the people of the state, but they are dancing to the tunes of the politician, especially when it comes to RJD and its Lalu Prasad Yadav and the clan, and also the leaders from that particular party. So it has become a very big issue, and this is exactly what the BJP leaders are saying in the morning, since morning and since yesterday, that this kind of jungle raj that you had witnessed in Bihar, that took Bihar many decades back compared to other states in terms of the development, this is exactly what you will get if you choose RJD.
Okay, all right. So the